to the Python library. So let's see how to do a small project. Here in our topic, I'm going to discuss how to create a calculator. So let's see how we can do. For that, I have a user interface module. This is TK interface, one of the most famous module for UI, user interface. All UI related modules are there. We have lot of functionality with this. So just I importing this TK interface module. So the syntax is from TK interface import star. So everything is imported from the TK interface. This is some global variable expressions. So this is the main. I am initializing that TK interface. So GUI, inside the GUI TK interface. Then I started GK interface, start the GUI. So let's run the script. See, TK interface is there. This is the TK interface. So next section is I'm going to add title of the interface, calculator. Its intentional is that. So here the title came. See, calculator we can see here. This is just only few lines we did. We imported the module TK interface. Then we have used that TK interface in a variable. Then we have GUI title calculator and calculator demo. So saving that project. All the interface is there. That's why I close that one. See, calculator demo. So this is why GUI title is called calculator demo. So this way you can give the title. Next is size of the GUI. Here I'm getting small size. I need to be a little bit bigger. For that, GUI geometry 26.5 into 125. This is a configuration GUI window. So I need a little bit wider. I am adding 400. So already it is there. That's why. See, it came a little bit wider. I have given increase the width. So this is the interface with the title we added, and the geometry also we changed. Next is I'm going to add an expression field. For that we have code here. Expression field entry GUI. We are using entry keyword for that. Entry GUI text variable equations. Equation is the variable line. So equation we have to define first. For that equation variable I am going to define. Text variable is insert. We are planning to add a text variable. Equation. So intentional is that. There's a confusion between tab and space. That's why it's happening in my editor. So this is expression field. Expression field is defined when we have to add set that expression variable. Equation set enter your variable. This is the equation for that express field variable. So equation string var entry GUI. So expression field grid column 18 hypertext this thing. So expression field is coming. We can type here anything. Define value start. So this is the calculator input area. Column space 198. This size, it's defining the size. Expression field. Expression field, we have GUI for that. GUI entry you are given. Entry widget with allow displaying simple text. So inside this we have specified the column span and this thing grid. So this is the default set. Enter your expression. You can enter your value. So it's getting input from the user. So next we need numbers in these sections. So we have to add numbers. So let's check how to add numbers. For that we have, again with the help of GUI, you can give button. Like entries for text field, we have button for entry which allow displaying simple text. Like button will allow single button widget. So button widget we can specify. This is our interface text. This is the value of the text. One we are given color black and red. This command is press. When it press, it should parameter pass 1. So this is a command for that. Then button GUI word this placement 1 0 row first row column 0. So this we are adding down. C 1K. So when it click, there's a this comment on button should click call a function press. We have to define a variable press later. So let's we add the second variable. I'm copying the same page here. Here it is 2 column row first row column second. Height width everything is same. Sit second, first, second. Like that I am adding the third number. Third row first and column 2. See, third I added. Next I am going to add 4. Column first only, this row, column third and row first. So here I have to specify the number 4. Indentation error is there, that's why. Here space is there. C 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are ready. Next is 5. This should be coming in second row with 0. 5. Next is 6. 6. Second row, column first. 6 add there. Then we are going to add 7. Second row, 7 is ready. Then we are going to add 8. We need to space. Intent should be correct. So up to 8 is this set. Next row, 9 we have to add. Third row, column 0. Then 0, I'm going to add 0, row third, column first. So button gives little bit space there, that's why. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All numbers are there. So next we have defined here one function on click. So this should be pass 0 when it click. You should pass 9 when it will click. This argument is 8. This argument is 7. This argument is 6. This argument 5. This one 4. 3, 2 and 1. So this is the variable. Next I'm going to add a function press. We have to define the function there. So here I'm going to display the function press. So when it press, whatever the argument is number, there is a global variable you have defined there, expression. First we have given expression equals 0, expression equals null. Expression is null. So global variable expression. Then this is concatenating with the expression. Already expression is null in our case, so it will concatenate. If you press 1, it will come 1. Press 2, it will come 2. Let's run the code. When I press 1, 1k. Because this is equation set. We have an equation here. See, when we are entering a text field, we have text variable equation. Equation is string varchar. Simple text variable is equation. So equation sort, enter your name first time. So when you press 1, it will call this function press 1 with parameter number. Then this concatenate with the expression. So when I press 1, it is there. When I press 2, it is concatenating. See, we here 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 0 plus 9. So it's concatenating with the expression. Already what is there in the expression, it is concatenating. So let's see. Next is we have to add a plus button. Here all numbers are there. Next we have to add a plus button. So we have code to add plus button. So button I am defining. Here plus button GUI text field is plus. When it's plus, plus, then plus create row. We have to write that third. We can write in row second, column 3. Oh, this we can write there only. Column first, column 4. Plus come here. So 1 plus 2. Next is we need to add equal. Equal, they have GUI here. So when you press equal, there's a function equal press. So we have to define that function first. So let's see what is how to define that functions. Define equal press. Thus we have global expression. Then string evaluate total expression. Then equation set. Find the total of the expression and set. Actually, if it is 1 plus 2, it will evaluate that and set that total to equations. That's what it's doing. So 1 plus 4 equal. This is 5. Here expression is evaluating. We have expression 1 plus 1. So it's evaluating and adding the expressions. So 1 plus 1, 5 will be displayed. How this equation dot set equal to total. So that way it's displaying that 5 plus 8. 8 plus, so this is 4 plus 48 equal to 96. Otherwise you can do it 78 plus 48 equal to 126. So this is the plus expression. So same way we can do the minus also, we can add here. Plus I added. So I'm adding minus. Geo minus column first, then column row second. It's showing some intent error. See, plus minus also came here. So 4 minus 8 equal to 12, because here I have given plus, here I given to give minus 1 plus 4 equal to 6. Same way 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So here I given plus, at the time the argument of the function is minus, plus it will call the function plus with minus. So I already have 4 minus, then I might have a 8. 4 minus 8, it will come minus 4, or 8 minus 4, it will come 4. This will be displaying like this. Now next is we can add multiply. So I'm giving variable ml T button, you have to give star. Here in pressing time, you have to pass that star. Placement of this is row third, column fourth. Then one press, it should come the press button. Multiplus grid GUI, we are adding that. C shark game. So 3 star 4 equal to 12. It's easy, right? So this way you can add plus, division, multiplication, everything. So let's try to include others like percentage. Then whatever you need, you can include in that. Now this is simple project for. So now you can add for go for multiplication, percentage, division, any other extra calculation. Just you have to add the button here and the expression you have to pass when it press. So comment on press, it should pass the functions and execute the function accordingly. See, this is one of the simple projects in Python with the help of Python TK library. Hope you understood this and you will try yourself. Thank you.